back to my channel. This is Shelja Pandey and I welcome you to Plum by Shelja. Yes, I know, long time no see. I was really busy for my pre-boards and practicals, and also I have my board examination in less than 1 month. So I'm super duper busy right now, and therefore I'm not able to read any book, any series or anything right now, because if I'll do it then my result will be fished up and I don't want that. So I'm trying to manage my reading and my academics hand by hand. So it's becoming a little difficult for me, but I'll try to manage it together. So let me come to the topic of the video. So this is another unboxing of a book, aka a book haul. Today I'm gonna unbox two books from your favorite and my favorite website, Meesho, and these are quite affordable. And actually, I got them delivered a month ago, but I was not getting the time to record the video. So I'm doing it right now to the video, and let me show you those two pretty little babies. So I was craving to read some heartwarming yet very delightful short read. So I planned to order a very short book series. It's a short story basically, and it's quite comfort. So the first book is Days at Morisaki Bookshop, and the second is More Days at Morisaki Bookshop. So these two books are by Satoshi Agisawa, and I have read one chapter from Days at Morisaki Bookshop, and abhi to I can't tell anything about the book because I haven't read deeper. So let's talk about the quality of the book. So this book is perfect. The book cover is matte. There are no dents and bends and etc. Agar hote to I would have returned it on the spot. So the font is super nice. Let me show you the font. If it's visible, if it's visible, the font is super. The font is readable and as big as it's required to be read. And overall, the first book is very nice. Let's talk about the second book. The second book is More Days at Morisaki Bookshop, and its cover is also matte. So it had a little stain at the cover. You can see jahan pe the title is written, a stain is there, a small stain, and at the back there were 2 or 3 more stains like that, but it does not bother me a lot. So I didn't mind it much. The font is similar, it's readable again, and there are no such dents and bends in the book. So overall, the purchase was a 4 out of 10, and there is no such complaints from the book. I have no complaints from the book. And coming to the price, I got it for rupees 140 something. I don't remember much. I think for 140 or 100 to 140 के range में it was there. And yeah, that was it for the video. I know it was quite small and I had nothing else to post, so I decided to post it. And yeah, that was it. Ta-ta.